तो चलिए अब हम इसे लिखते हैं 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड पर। 1 2 3 स्टार्ट। The factual matrix necessary for adjudication of the instant appeal is that being ward of a deceased employee of the New Okhla Industrial Development Authority, the appellant petitioner on 26 May 2016 submitted an application to have appointment on compassionate grounds as per provisions of the rules of 1974 stop. Along with the application, the appellant petitioner annexed copies of the necessary documents to substantiate his qualification attainments and also the proficiency in typing stop. The respondents instructed the appellant petitioner to qualify the type test, a proficiency prescribed for appointment to the post of junior assistant stop. The appellant petitioner did not choose to appear in the proficiency test to claim for an appointment as junior assistant with a request to provide him some time to qualify the same stop. Being failed to have any positive response, the appellant petitioner approached this court by way of filing a petition for writ stop para. The petitioner for writ preferred by the petitioner came to be disposed of by learned single bench with the directions referred in preceding paras stop. The case of the appellant petitioner is that as per Rule 5 of the Rules of 1974, in case a government servant dies in harness and the spouse of the deceased government servant is not already employed under the central government or a state government or a corporation owned or controlled by the central government or a state government, one member of his family who is not already employed under the central government or a state government or a corporation owned or controlled by the central government or a state government shall, on making an application for the purpose, be given a suitable example employment in government service on a post except the post which is within the purview of the Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission in relaxation of the normal recruitment rules if such person fulfills the educational qualifications prescribed for the post stop. The second and third proviso to Rule 5 pertain to relaxation in relation to certain proficiency, and the proviso aforesaid reads as follows: para, provided that in case appointment is to be made on a post for which typewriting has been prescribed as an essential qualification and the dependent of the deceased government servant does not possess the required proficiency in typewriting, he shall be appointed subject to the condition that he would acquire the requisite speed of 25 words per minute in typewriting well within 1 year, and if he fails to do so, his general annual increment shall be withheld and a further period of 1 year shall be granted to him to acquire the requisite speed in typewriting, and if in the extended period also he again fails to acquire the requisite speed in typewriting, his service shall be dispensed with stop. Para, in light of the provisos aforesaid, as per learned counsel appearing on behalf of the appellant petitioner, the appellant petitioner was entitled to have 1 year time to qualify the type test stock.